Collagen is a protein found in your body's connective tissues, such as skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones. It's essential for maintaining skin elasticity, promoting joint health, and strengthening connective tissue. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down, which is why many people turn to collagen supplements or collagen-rich foods for a boost. Did you know that chicken feet are a fantastic source of collagen? Yes, those tender, gelatinous feet are packed with this essential protein, which is why they've been a staple in many traditional dishes, especially in soups and stews. However, did you know that eating cooked chicken foot itself will not provide you with the collagen you need? Here's why. When you cook chicken feet, especially in a soup or stew, the collagen breaks down into gelatin, which then dissolves into the liquid. The chicken foot itself becomes tender, but the collagen is no longer in its solid form, it's now part of the broth. The best way to get collagen from chicken feet is to drink chicken foot soup or drink the curry or stewed chicken foot gravy. The slow cooking process allows the collagen to release into the liquid, making it rich in nutrients. So, to get all the benefits of this powerful protein, sip on the broth or gravy where the collagen is concentrated. So, remember, collagen helps to keep your skin firm, elastic, and hydrated, preventing it from shriveling up or sagging. As you age, your body naturally produces less collagen, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and looser skin. By consuming collagen-rich foods, like slow-cooked chicken foot soup, bone broth, or gelatin, you help support your skin structure, keeping it plump and youthful. So, if you want to maintain smooth, healthy-looking skin, adding collagen to your diet can definitely help.